Aaron Rodgers and the Green Bay Packers having another rough week, losing at home to the Indianapolis Colts. Rodgers, who threw 3 touchdowns and 1 interception on Sunday, wasn't happy with his team's performance, and he let it be known publicly during his post-game press conference. He told reporters that the Packers had, quote, uncharacteristically low energy, while later adding, quote, I'm not a rah-rah guy, but I'm a focused, enthusiastic player, and I don't know what the lack of juice was. You kind of felt it over the entire sideline. We didn't have the same kind of enthusiasm and encouragement that we had the previous 2 weeks.